Thank you, wherever you are. This is Obareds Clean Services car detailing section. As you can see, we are doing the interiors of an ambulance. There are the seats over there. We've already done the front part. For those of you who have never seen the interiors of an ambulance, these are a chance for you to have a look at it. That is my colleague. So you go. This is the bed. So that bed, when it folds, it comes on top of this thing that slides left and right. So as you can see, these are the various components of this particular ambulance. I think this is something that to do with examination of a patient. The clock is over there. This one, the medics can tell us what it is. And you can see, yeah, over there, my friend giving it a detailed cleaning. These are shelves. I guess this is something that carries some medicines as my guesswork. Those are oxygen cylinders over there. So you can have a look at how sophisticated this thing or the interiors of an ambulance looks like. It's well built to give support to emergencies that may result as an accident, or patients that need to be taken to medical facilities. Before they get there, we use this particular mobile clinic. So this is where you put those, I think you can see them, the ladders. The ladders, although that thing that is used to carry a patient maybe from a scene of accident. So this is a storage point. And this other side, we have oxygen cylinders. So you can see an oxygen cylinder well fitted there. The driver section. So we've done with that. The driver side, it's well. So need to fix the seats as we continue. This other part had a lot of dirt and the markings, but as you can see, there is no trace of any mark that can be seen. So car detailing services, you have your car out there and you need thorough interior cleaning. You can kindly get in touch with us at Car Detailing Services Kenya, and we'll give you the best service that is needed. Our operations are mobile within Nairobi, and if out of Nairobi, you can kindly get in touch with us for a special arrangement of the same. So it's upon you to make a call, and ours is to respond by coming to your place and offer you the best service. Thank you wherever you are. Thank you. May you be blessed as you continue ensuring that we offer you the best service.